Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and power. Identify your Apple Pencil model, then pair it to the iPad and check the battery level in the widget. Once paired, gently remove the tip and inspect for debris, then clean the pencil and iPad nib contact with a dry microfiber cloth. This clears common contact faults. Make sure Bluetooth is on and airplane mode is off. Then reattach the tip and test simple strokes in Notes so you know the baseline behavior. Once initial checks are done, unpair the pencil in Settings and forget the device, then restart your iPad to clear transient Bluetooth errors. After reboot, repair the pencil, watch for the pairing prompt, and immediately test in Notes, paying attention to pressure and tilt response to confirm sensors are active. If issues persist, remove the tip and swap with a known good spare, or inspect the threads for wear. Hand tighten the replacement until snug. Then retest strokes and palm rejection behavior to verify improvement. For final hardware verification, try the pencil with a second compatible iPad to isolate whether the fault is the pencil or your tablet. If the pencil supports magnetic charging, ensure the connector area is clean and reattach to charge fully. Then test again. If replacing the tip did not help, run Apple Diagnostics at an Apple store or contact Apple support for hardware service. This rules out internal sensor failure or battery issues. If you see intermittent
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.